Yeah, let's see how much.
Holy!
Bro, 300,
I have
300,000.
6.86 mil.
Look what I have.
Wow, you have 5 mil, I have 6 mil.
Yeah, that's crazy. Bro, 300,000 per cell is crazy.
I know, bro.
Selling eggs is cool.
Oh, I'm gonna dupe this, alright?
Okay, but selling eggs, like in bags, is so good.
Yeah.
It gives you so much
Alright, I'm
money.
gonna dupe this. Don't touch it, alright?
Aren't you gonna put it in here? Where'd he go?
Oh wait, I got flinged.
Put it in the bag
Oh.
and dupe the bag.
Okay, don't touch it.
No, put it in the bag. Okay, now dupe.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. I'll see you when I dupe this.
Okay.
Hold up, there's a stupid ad on my VPN. Start.
Alright. So, what's up, guys? This is just Animal Company because one of you commented on my video to say for me to start playing Animal Company. So here's a video. Yeah. Okay. It's Animal Company. Yippee! Okay. Well, yeah. Just Animal Company.
I duped it.
Bye.